Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to use your TD Bank gift card online in 2025. Whether you're a tech-savvy shopper or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to activate your TD Bank gift card if you haven't already. Head over to the TD Bank website or app. It's as easy as logging into your account and following the prompts. In 2025, they've streamlined this with a new one-click activation feature, so it should only take a minute. Once activated, check your card's balance to ensure you have funds ready. Just log in, navigate to the gift card section, and view the details. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises during checkout. Now, for the fun part, making a purchase. Go to your favorite online store, like Amazon or any retailer that accepts TD Bank cards. At checkout, select credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter your gift card details carefully. That's the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Pro tip: if the site supports it, add the card to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, for faster use in future transactions. After entering the info, double-check everything to make sure the amount doesn't exceed your balance. Hit confirm and watch the magic happen. You'll get a confirmation email from TD Bank shortly. One more thing. Keep an eye out for any updates in 2025. TD Bank might have new security features, like biometric verification, so always use a secure connection when shopping online. If you run into issues, like a declined transaction, contact TD Bank's customer support right away. They're usually super helpful. And there you have it. Using your TD Bank gift card online is straightforward and secure. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.